Introducing the new 1539 18-inch multi-compartment tool carrier by CLC. Strong, durable feet keep your bag clean at your workstation. The divided compartment design of the tool carrier helps keep your tools organized. The center compartment holds power tools and accessories. It's capable of holding a variety of tools. The side compartments are equipped with vertical pockets, so it's easy to see your hand tools, and they zip closed to prevent tools from falling out. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded for extra comfort. The heavy-duty carrying handles make it easy to move around, while the large, durable zipper makes it easy to open. The opening has a metal frame, so the bag stays open for easy access. Built to last, the large multi-compartment tool carrier is an excellent solution for contractors and repair technicians who need to keep their tools close at hand and neatly organized. CLC 1539 18-inch multi-compartment tool carrier.
Introducing the DGL 573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag. Padded web carrying handles and adjustable straps allow for comfortable and convenient no-hands transport. Base pads on the bottom of the bag help reduce wear and abrasion. 28 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 42 pockets help you to organize your tools. The vertical pockets keep tools in sight for quick access. The DGL 573 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the bag to help identify tools and parts. The DEWALT DGL 573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag. Guaranteed tough.
CLC's 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack, featuring two large zippered compartments that reveal 36 pockets to easily hold a variety of tools and accessories. A large adjustable exterior pocket sits on the outside of the bag, along with an additional 8 pockets on the front and both sides of the bag. A multitude of pockets allow you to organize all your equipment, and the fold-down motion gives you easy access to all the tools you need when working on site. Hands-free capability allows you to maneuver around your work area. Base pads are located at the bottom of the bag to help reduce wear and tear, while the carrying handle is padded, allowing you to easily and comfortably move your bag around your workstation. And when the work is done, easily zip up and put the bag on. It offers an adjustable sternum strap and adjustable shoulder straps that are padded and slip resistant. The 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack.
Introducing the DGL 523 DEWALT Lighted Tool Backpack. Large back pads provide extra comfort for hands-free tool transport. Base pads on the bottom of the backpack help reduce wear and abrasion. The DGL 523 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the backpack to help identify tools and parts. With 3 levels of light output, the LED light allows adjustment for wide area illumination or close-up work. Padded carrying handles provide comfortable and convenient transport. 48 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 57 pockets help you to organize your tools. The DGL 523 DEWALT Lighted Tool Backpack. Guaranteed tough.